Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to enable two-factor authentication for GoHighLevel account. This is home screen of GoHighLevel. You go to setting over here. In setting, you see my profile over here. You will wait for this loading. You can see this is your profile, this is your name, this is your phone number, email, and we have the option called two-factor authentication over here. You choose set up two-factor authentication. Now it asks you to scan this QR code or copy this following code. You can use some common authenticator apps like Google Authenticators. It's very easy. You can download both on Android, iOS, or you can use Microsoft Authenticator as well. For me, I use this app. It's called Authenticators. It's very simple. You use a mobile phone over here and you click add account. Right here, you can see it asks you to scan the QR code or enter the code manually. So in here, it's very simple. You download the app and you scan the QR code. I will try to scan this code right now. Now you can see I finally have my authenticator code on my Authy apps. I will click next. Now I just need to enter 6-number code on my Authy apps. Okay, it's finally done. GoHighLevel generate for you some backup code. You can use this kind of backup code if you lost access to your authenticators. You can copy all the code. After you're done, you can close it. Okay, that's all the way you can enable two-factor authentication in your GoHighLevel account. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.